morning, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, again, we are back with our Y68 Plus smartwatch. Again, this is another upgrade, a very good upgrade of the Y68. Remember, we have the 2021 upgraded Y68. We also have the Y68, the first Y68 smartwatch, and now we have here the Y68 Plus smartwatch. So this is a very good upgrade with a lot of options, especially in the watch face section. Okay, the design is very good, lightweight, and it looks premium. Again, for this smartwatch, there's a lot of questions regarding the watch face. How do you install a watch face for your Y68 Plus smartwatch? Although we already demonstrated it in our video, again, they are asking for a specific video tutorial for installing the watch face. So here, we're going to install the watch face for your Y68 Plus smartwatch. So stay tuned. Okay, so we have here our Y68. It is already preloaded with a lot of watch faces. Let me show it to you. So we have here one of the most beautiful watch face here. Okay, also have this one, and we have here the custom. Okay, so it has several preloaded beautiful watch faces. See it here, nice looking watch faces. So if this is not enough and you want more, you can go here to the support app. So the support app is the HRY Fine app. Okay, go to your dial management option here. You see it here? Let me have a closer look. Okay, tap on the dial management, and we have preloaded watch faces here. This 12. Okay, so we have here watch face 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and very popular, the watch face, the Mickey Mouse. Okay, sporty here, and the last one. Okay, let's pick this one. Okay, if you want to change your watch face, again, make sure that it's connected to your Bluetooth app or smartwatch and disconnected on the web. Okay, tap on the watch face or tap on here on the option, and it is automatically synchronized to your smartwatch. You don't have to wait. Okay, it's instantaneously loaded to your smartwatch. Let me demo it to you. Okay, see, it is loaded to your smartwatch right away. Okay, so far it looks great. The watch faces here, they look nice. There's a lot of options. Okay, let's go back to our default watch face here. Okay, but if you want more, we have the option here for custom watch faces here in the first option. Okay, in the watch face 1. So how do we create our own custom watch face? Okay, so here, tap on the edit. Okay, so we have here, so you have the options to change. Okay, so what do you want to show? Let me see, the heart rate, the time, date. Okay, sleep monitoring. Let's go for the step counter, and you can also change the text color here. So there's a lot of options. We'll go for this one. Okay, let me see if there are other colors here. Okay, okay, this one. Okay, that's it. This is a demo. Okay, you can change the color as well as the position of the time here, time position. Okay, just drag and let's put it on the center. Okay, change again the color. I don't like the color combination. Okay, see, it's much readable. Okay, just tap on here for the check here, and let's go and select an image. Select image. So go into your camera roll, or shall we say your gallery. Let's see. Okay, let's pick another image here. How about this one? Okay, tap on here, select, tap again, completed, and we have here a preview of the smartwatch or the watch face. Tap here and we have the watch face. Doesn't look good, but for demo purposes only. Tap here on the check and set. So we have the design here of the watch face. You can make your own and upload it to your smartwatch or smartphone, so you can make your own custom watch face or any character. Okay, then after that we will save it and it will be synchronized to your smartwatch, to your Y68 Plus smartwatch. So tap on a save and it's now pushing to your smartwatch. It may take some time. Okay, so all you have to do is just wait and it will be loaded to your smartwatch. I did not test it on iOS. Maybe it is also working. I hope. We'll check on it later if it's working on the iOS. But so far in Android platform, it works okay. As you can see, we already demoed it to you. And it synchronized or uploaded the watch face to your smartwatch smoothly. No issues at all. So let's see this one. If it's loaded to your smartwatch. We'll see. Okay, you can add your own graphics, create your own customized graphics, or maybe you want a scenery or a photo of your loved ones. Okay, so it is successfully loaded to your smartwatch. Okay, your own custom watch faces. So it is very easy to install your watch face. Okay, the available watch face here is to install to your smartwatch and your own custom background. Okay, so if you have any questions regarding this tutorial, again please drop a comment below and we will answer your queries. Again, so this one it is for the installation of watch faces for your Y68. Again, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, a premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Bye.